Welcome back to Dope Furniture. Today we're diving into 50 plus stunning wardrobe designs for 2025. Modern, functional, and absolutely stylish. Let's get into it. Modern designs. Sliding door wardrobe. Perfect for compact spaces. Sliding doors add a clean, minimalist touch and save space. Mirrored wardrobe. Double duty design. Reflective panels create the illusion of a bigger room while serving practical use. Glossy finish wardrobe. High gloss doors offer a sleek contemporary vibe, ideal for modern interiors. Matte finish wardrobe. Understated and elegant, matte finishes are trending in earthy and neutral tones. Handleless wardrobe. Go seamless with push to open or recessed handles for a minimalist look. Stylish and functional. Corner wardrobe. Maximize unused corners with custom corner wardrobes, perfect for small rooms. Open wardrobe concept. Display your style. Open wardrobes work well in walk-in closets or fashion-focused rooms. Wardrobe with TV unit. Combines storage and entertainment, ideal for master bedrooms. Built-in lighting. Wardrobe. LED lit interiors help you find things quickly and add a luxurious touch. Glass front wardrobe. Display your best pieces with clear or frosted glass. Chic and showroom-like, classic and contemporary. Wooden panel. Wardrobe. Rich textures and grains make wooden wardrobes timeless and warm. French door. Wardrobe. Classic elegance with framed doors, often paired with vintage handles. Scandinavian style, light wood, clean lines, and practical compartments. Scandi wardrobes are all about calm functionality. Loft-style metal wardrobe, urban and edgy, ideal for industrial-themed spaces. Shaker style, traditional but versatile. Perfect if you love a farmhouse or transitional aesthetic. Space savers and custom ideas. Floor-to-ceiling wardrobe. Use every inch of vertical space. Great for rooms with high ceilings. Two-tone wardrobe. Mix materials and colors for a bold, designer look. Modular wardrobe. Customizable and flexible. Ideal for growing storage needs. Wardrobe with study nook. Perfect for small apartments. Combine wardrobe space with a compact work area. Walk-in closet style. If you've got the space, go all out with a dedicated dressing room wardrobe layout. Which wardrobe design was your favorite? Drop a comment below. And if you love stylish interiors, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss an upload from Dope Furniture.